Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard. Today I brought along these two awesome rifles to shoot. On the top, the Fx Panthera double barrel hunter, and at the bottom, the raw in the brand new Saber Tactical chassis, all the way from the boys from Utah Airguns. I'm very excited, so let's go out there and let's get started.
Ooh, there's a Batman impersonation. Beautiful.
Oh,
Okay, ready? Yeah. Roly-poly all the way down.
oh, one of the best shots of the day. Holding two for the win there.
Down he goes.
Now let's speak about my Fx Panthera double bottle hunter version that I've got here in front of me. It started off life as a standard 600mm Fx Panthera. What I've done is I've removed the front rail, I've fitted a Huma bottle connector system here in the front, and that gives me the ability now to connect the extra bottle as well now. The front bottle is 580 cc's, the back one is 300 cc's, and that's obviously 880 cc's of air, which is a ton of air and gives me a ton of shots, which makes it perfect for hunting. And talk about hunting, in the front I've got a Donny FL Tanto silencer. This silencer connected to this gun system at the moment is the quietest gun setup that I've got in my whole arsenal. Plus the gun is super powerful as well. So it's a perfect match for this gun for hunting. On the top, I've got an Element Nexus scope with an APR 2D reticle, which is the dirty reticle. It's got all the hash marks in it. It's actually perfect for PRS and NRL shooting as well, but I like it, so I fitted it on this gun. Underneath here, I've got an Accutech bipod, which is connected to a Saber Tactical bottle clamp, which sits here in the front on the bottle. Underneath also, I've got an AR aftermarket grip, which I've fitted here. And then I've got this awesome little bottle cover from Utah Airguns, which protects my rear bottle when I'm putting it on a bag. The whole gun itself is super lightweight. It's so easy to carry around in the field. It's one of the best shouldering guns at the moment from all my guns that I've got, I must be honest, and I'm starting to like it actually a little bit more than my FX Impacts, which I'm so used to shooting over all these years. But the way that I've tuned this gun, I've got the regulator set to 150 bar. I've got my macro adjuster here to 23 maxed out, and obviously I've got my micro adjuster also maxed out to 4, and that's giving me the ability to shoot these 25 grain H&N slug HPs at 1000 feet per second. All in all, like I said, this gun is quickly to become one of my favorite hunting setups of all time. Oh, what a beaut! 200 meters on the mark, straight down.
Ooh, down like a brick.
What a lovely little shot. Can't get a better shot than that. Perfect. Perfect. That's another one down at 200. That's why I love the Panthera. So good. Alright, let's have a look at the raw setup that I've got here in front of me. As you can see, it's a HM1000X. It's not a new model, it's a gun that's been around for quite some time now. This is a 22 caliber. I got this gun from Utah Airgun standard in a dark grey laminate stock, which is very nice. From there I took the action and I fitted it into this brand new Saber Tactical chassis that you guys see here in front of me. The chassis itself is also not standard. As you guys can see, the Utah Airguns pumped it out for me with this awesome carbon fiber dip on it. At the back I fitted a MDT AR buttstock, underneath a MDT vertical grip. On the side I've also got some MDT Baker wings here to widen my footprint for my chassis when I put it on a sandbag. In the front on the barrel I've got a Donny FL Tatsu to keep things quiet. In the front here also I've fitted a aftermarket 700cc 300 bar Air Marksman bottle. I think it's actually a must for a gun like this. It just gives you a ton of shots when you set this gun up. Underneath, an Accutech bypass to keep the gun nice and steady. On top I've got an Element Nexus scope. It's an APR 1C MRAD scope with a clean reticle. The barrel that's on this gun is a Lothar Walther barrel. It's a polygon. Today I'm shooting the 25 grain JSB pellets at 1000 feet per second through this gun. Now there is an aftermarket part that I've also fitted to this gun that you won't see, and that is a Huma regulator. Now the reason why I fitted the Huma regulator was not because the old regulator was bad. It was actually very good. The reason why I fitted this Huma regulator was it gives me the ability to set the regulator from the outside, and that I like. I just turn off the bottle here, remove the bottle, and it then has a flat screwdriver head where I can adjust this regulator from the outside, and that makes my life a lot more easier. Overall I can say that the raw guns is great because I have shot many raw guns on the bench as well in sub 12 foot-pound versions, so I know exactly what they're about, and they are good shooters. Woohoo! What a beauty, beautiful. It's like smashed that pigeon down. Smoked him. Oh, perfect little headshot there. Well, he's just hanging up in the tree there. And he's not coming down.
Solid hit.
Alright, so we've got some spinner targets out there at 110 yards. Just loaded up a mag. Let's check the raw's accuracy a bit. and see what is what. There's a slight wind from the left. I'm just going to keep about a mil to the left out at 110. Okay, starting with a big 2-inch spinner target. Alright, here we go. Impact. Impact. That's a miss. Impact. 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 Ah, not bad. Alright, let's go to the small 1-inch and see if we can get a couple of them knocked. Impact. There we go. Impact. Impact. Not bad at all. 25 grain pellets. Not bad at all. That's 110 yards. What a wonderful shot. Another one down. Perfect little headshot there. Absolutely no chance. Panthera smoked that pigeon. Oh, smoked. Alright, so we've got some slugs loaded up for the Panthera here. 110 yards, spinner targets, 2-inch, 1-inch, starting from big to small. Let's go, let's see. Impact. 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 Let's move over to the 1-inch now. Impact. 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 Same scenario. I must be honest with you guys. Obviously for the raw with the pellets I had to hold about a mil, and with the 25 grain H&N slugs at 1,000 feet per second, it was literally left edge, and the wind conditions pretty much the same thing. So this is where BC comes into play between the slugs and the pellets, but both guns did very well out at 110 yards. Dead. Perfect shot out at 102 meters.
Ready? Oh, another one down.
Oh, clocked. Dead. House sparrow. Ho ho ho. Dead, dead, dead. Oh, beautiful shot down. Well, unfortunately, that's it for this week's episode. I need to go back home now. I had a lot of fun shooting these two awesome guns today. And if you guys liked it as well, please do me a favor, go down there, go smash that like button for me. And for all the new guys, if you want to see more of this kind of content, then you need to remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. So, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.